All right, everybody, welcome back on this wonderful foggy morning. But I got a little surprise for you guys this morning. My wife gave me an early Father's Day gift. Look at this. Boom. She got me an Equinox 600. Got my arm strap. How freaking sweet is that? She actually picked it out herself and everything. But really excited about it. I'm sure it should go deeper because I have a bigger coil now, but man, I'm freaking excited about it. But I don't know. Anyways, let's see if we can find us something good. But I was thinking about doing a series of videos on going back and hunting all the places that I've hunted really hard with my Vanquish. Maybe like that one little park that I went to so many times and I found all those coins. Maybe going back there with this and seeing if I can find anything else, if it's even better or not. I'm sure it will be because the coil's bigger. I should be able to go deeper. But leave me a comment and let me know, would you guys rather, or would you guys like to see me rehunt all the spots that I've hunted hard with my Vanquish to see if this thing actually gets more than what the Vanquish will. But man, I'm freaking stoked. Pretty solid 12. I bet that's probably a pull tab. What do you guys think? Okay, let's try it. There's 12, 13. I'm sure I'll probably find a bunch of crap because I don't know, which I dig everything anyways. But I'm really excited about this new machine. But it was funny because I came home from work and my wife, she's like, I need to talk to you about something. And I was like, man, I wonder what I've done this time. But that's what it was about. She wanted to get me a new metal detector for Father's Day, but she wasn't sure which one to get. And she was naming off all these. And she's like, I was looking at the Equinox 600. I was like, freak, I'll take that. But man, it's freaking, I don't know. It's cool though. What is that? Ah, it's a pull tab. Good job, machine. You found a pull tab. One thing I really like about this machine is it's 100% waterproof. So I might actually do some creek hunting this year. Now guys, we got a crazy signal. 1427. There ain't no iron in it. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's good. Just a little tiny plug here. See how close I am. Maybe it's good. Please be something good. Missed that a little, didn't I? What the heck is that? I don't know, some kind of little cable holder thing. That's not what I was wanting. We got us a solid 14. About right in there. It's only 2 deep. It ain't very deep. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about maybe making a whole series of videos of going back and redetecting the places that I detected with the Vanquish to see if I found anything, if I can find anything different with this. Or maybe this is just a pretty waste of money, you know what I mean? Let's see. This is in the plug, according to the Equinox. I was showing it was like 2 deep. Oh man, that plug come loose. What in the world is it? Are you kidding me? Freaking pull tab. All that for a pull tab. But I'm still trying to learn this machine, guys, if you can't tell. Which I dug a lot of pull tabs with my 440 too. But I've already hunted this little strip here with my 440 and didn't. That's where I found those wheat pennies. All right, there's a 12 or 13. It's pretty deep. Okay. Rock. Come on, something good. I don't know, man. This big old coil's got me messed up. Good old deep pull tab there, right there. I think that's an old one, ain't it? I guess it's an old one. There might be a newer one. Oh no, I don't know the history of my pull tabs. Do you guys know when they had pull tabs like that? Yeah, I don't know. I think that's the first one of them I've dug. Okay. I lost it. Okay. According to this, it should be right there. Let's see how close this is. I think it's softer here. I might have just misdug it just a little bit. Oh. Man, I'm not digging good plugs today, am I? Okay, it's still down in the hole. Showing a 16. Can it be something good? Ah, oh, it's a pull tab. Dang it, man. Are you kidding me? Another freaking pull tab. Oh no. A pull tab. Man, that thing rang up high. Dang. I'm not used to this machine whatsoever. Man, a 17 on the 440 would have probably been a coin. I finally found a higher signal. I found a 26. Man, I don't know. I hate leaving a place on a lose, like just finding nothing. You know what I mean? Tell you what, this freaking gnat or mosquito keeps flying around my eyeball. It's about to get it. Okay, we're still showing 25, 26. Tell you what, that pinpointer is pretty close to being dead on. It's a freaking cap. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it. It ain't even a good cap. Oh, that stinks. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. I got stuff to do today. But thank all y'all for watching, liking, and subscribing. Hopefully I'll figure out how to use this fancy contraption and find some good stuff.